I'm reaching the jetty in the next 5 minutes. I've already walked around 2 kilometers to reach here. It's on the main part of the Versova area, and let's see how it looks as we go ahead. I continue to walk towards the jetty. Some kind of food stalls on both the sides, and maybe this is some kind of it says some mandal, some kind of food, fish market, whatever. And so we have almost reached here, and I guess this canopied area must be the boarding point for the jetty. Well, I'm going to check it out now, and I can see the sea here, and so many people queuing up to board the boat. Let me check it out here the moment I come to know. नाव का टिकट उस पे ही मिलेगा, मतलब यही लोग देंगे ना नाव के ऊपर? उतरेंगे तब। ये 5 रुपए वाली है और 10 की कौन सी है? तो आज नहीं चल रही। अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। Okay, the boat is here, and I can see a lot of people coming this way on the boat, and as I've understood from the lady is that we just board and go on to the other side, and that they give the ticket when you get down the boat, so you don't take any advance tickets. Now there is very little social distancing here. People seem to be walking next to each other. I don't think COVID is a matter here, so best is for me to keep away from people as much as I can. There goes the rush, and they are boarding, and we got a hooter here, as you heard, and is going in, and I have boarded the boat. So I forgot to bring my sanitizer, which is bad. I should have done so, but it's too late now. And see that I am on the boat now, and all of them are sitting. He is probably the captain of the boat with his rudder controls here. A big mistake that I did not carry my sanitizer in a hurry. That's very bad of me, but never mind, it's too late now. And seems to be running on batteries, Activa Plus. And we have kind of, the boat is almost kind of 3/4 full. And that's the view where I'm supposed to be headed. On the other side, I'll be, heading that way. It's cooler here. The sea breeze is making it not so hot. A little bit of a cool temperature. But let's see now. That's about it, and I continue as we begin the boat. The boat has begun to turn. That's the captain. He told me to move back because he's got this rudder control in his hands, which is quite long, and it comes up to me. And he's probably a coolie, as we call him. Look at him. He's a hardened sea fisherman come boatman, and the boat has turned. I think it needs to turn some more because he should be heading front onwards, not on the rear. So he's turning the boat. As I see that he continues to turn it. Alright, so I think he's turning the boat to the, I don't know, maybe he's turning to the right, I'm not sure. What's he doing exactly? Okay, he's begun to move forward and he's turning it to the right. So the boat is moving now, and we head towards a place called Mud Island. Mud is a place which is across this little stretch of water, this sea stretch, which gives the coolies an income basically by doing this boat work, for which they charge 5 rupees per ride, per way. And the money is collected when you alight from the boat on the other side. And this boat, my goodness, am I sure that he is already there? The ride was hardly maybe 3 minutes journey. Oh, that's funny. I was expecting a long way to go, but this seems a very short ride. Good heavens, we're already berthing on the other side. Oh well. That was the shortest boat ride of my life. I didn't know we could come for such a short stretch. But this tiny water in between the so-called mainland and between Versova gives a living to all these fishermen turned boatmen. And we're getting down now. I need to pay my money, of course, 5 rupees. Let's see now. We are all getting down. We are getting down here. But I think people just walk down because they are quick enough, having been trained. But I think I'll take my time. I'm not gonna rush out. Let the bikers go first, otherwise they're gonna bang me from the back, as they are well known to do so. But there goes the first loudmouth, and here I go out now. There I go out. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. I'm out. So let's see who's taking my money. I need to change. I'm on the other side now. Not sure what to do, whether I should go to the market or take an auto maybe nearest to the they are the autos here. Don't know how much they're gonna charge, but maybe I need to go to a chemist shop, get hold of a sanitizer to be safer. So I'm going to ask him now. भैया ये सैनिटाइजर खरीदना है मेरे को, तो यहाँ केमिस्ट की दुकान कितनी दूर होगी?
मार्केट जाना पड़ेगा।
तो मार्केट तक कितना लेते हैं आप जाने का?
फेशियल का 40 रुपये है। फेशियल का 40 रुपये और शेयरिंग में जाएगा 10 रुपये।
तो शेयरिंग हो जाएगा अभी?
हाँ, वोट आएगा तो शेयरिंग हो
जाएगा ना? तो कितने, 2 बैठते हैं 3?
5 बैठते हैं।
5 तो डबल ले लेते 20 रुपये मार्केट तक, मैं चला जाता था। वेल इट कॉस्ट 40 रुपीज़, देने को रेडी हूँ। हाँ, तो मेरे को क्या सिर्फ सैनिटाइजर लेना है दुकान से,
कुछ भी ले, हमको क्या मतलब है?
हैं? आपको मतलब नहीं है?
हमको क्या मतलब है?
हाँ, ये बात तो है, ये बात आप सही बोल रहे हो। मतलब नहीं,
मतलब नहीं, हमको पैसे से मतलब।
पैसे से मतलब
कुछ भी ले ले, हमको क्या करने के उससे?
हाँ, बराबर, कितनी प्रैक्टिकल बात है। बराबर है। लेकिन अब भारत में ना 72 साल से हमने मतलब नहीं रखा दूसरों, अभी रखना चाहिए ताकि हम बेहतर बन सकें। हम लोगों ने कभी सोचा नहीं, इसीलिए गरीब हमारे देश में गरीब रह गया, नसीब सोच के। नसीब नहीं बुरा है, हमको दिया नहीं जा रहा है जानबूझ के गरीबों को, ये फ़र्क है सोच का, आप बुरा मत माने। तो क्या मैं बैठूं अभी 20 के हिसाब से, अब नहीं बैठूं? क्या बोल रहे हैं?
बैठने का तो भाई, तो
नहीं भाई, मेरा मतलब आपके हो गए
थोड़े जबरदस्ती।
नहीं, मान लो मैं बैठ गया तो आप अभी चल पड़ेंगे?
चलेगा,
चलो ठीक है, ठीक चलेंगे। 20 रुपीज़ he agrees to go and there, so I pay him 20 so that he is confident that I'm not fooling him, because in India people are always suspicious. They think we might not pay, or we might run away. The attitude, as you heard just now, was that he couldn't care what I do. There was no friendliness, like a smile or friendliness. This is an auto ride which I am taking up to the so-called market. They have some kind of market where I am heading to. I'm paying 20 rupees. That's what I'm paying him. Yeah. Okay, I'm in the market now. I've got my sanitizer and I'm safe now. So I'm told there's a beach further ahead, and that should be my terminal stop for today, to see what's at the end of this road. I can see kind of houses, residences, all this is there. I'm walking towards so-called beach. It's a bit pleasant here. The wind is much more than what we see on the mainland. I think the sea on both the sides probably makes it feel better. And these cars that you see are coming from the other side. The long drive from Malad, Aksa Beach towards here. Well, I've taken a shortcut using the boat, you see. And so I continue to go ahead. I see what's happening here. This is how it looks from the other side. It seems like Lavasa Resort, the way they show it, like a Lavasa Resort, but I'm on the other side, and I've yet to cross on the boat, and that's the view we get. And I continue to walk back. It's almost 4 kilometers I've been walking from the market, and it's got a bit tired for me. Yeah, haven't sat down for quite some time now, but I need to get to the boat so that I can return to the mainland. Yeah, that's how it is at the moment, and I'll catch up again. Okay, I have reached the Vesawa Machhimar Society Mud Jetty, Versava. Welcome to Mud Jetty. Okay, so I'm on my way back now. Let's see. I'll have to give him 5 rupees. And there he is. 5 rupees. I got the ticket and I'm leaving on the boat. Okay. And I have to wait now because the boat is just coming. You saw the man collecting money. The gold chain, they are called coolies. And they are supposedly extremely rich fishermen, and with a bit of a gang element, of course, because this whole thing is done under gangsterism, the boat business. And there has been a government proposal for quite long to connect this with a bridge, but the coolies aren't allowing it because they feel it will affect their living. Although each ticket can be made for 10 rupees, 5 rupees to the coolies and 5 rupees to the administration, but still they don't agree. So here's my boat now, and I'll be boarding the boat now. Oh, what a relief! With the heat over there, this is how you alight on the boat, and see they're all coming out. I think I'll need to take an auto home now because it's been somewhat tiring for me. Well, let's see. Let me get on the boat first. Okay, the bikers have got a plank to come on. There they come, the bikers. The deadly bikers of India, who are known to knock people down. Also known as the little gangsters. Most of them are misbehaving. And there they come. So I hope I can grab a seat this time if I'm the first one to go in, which looks likely. And there goes the last of the road bikers. I'm going to rush in now and sit on the seat. I think I'll just walk up. No point. Yeah, there I am. Oh well, I'm in. And there's the seat. I don't. Okay, that's on the side. That's on the seat now. And voila, I'm heading back with this brief trip of mine. So thank you everybody. It's been a wonderful experience to go on the boat ride. On the other side, however brief it may be, there's a lot of noise here with the background music. Signing off. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.